the two different little balls. I'm assuming like you can just cut it in half.
Oh, no, I go find the eye.
Okay. And you know, a pumpkin's not perfect, so you can just like it doesn't have to be that great. So,
Oh, I want to make.
alright. Fun.
Oh, I found the eyeballs.
I rolled the balls for you, so now you can make your pumpkins.
Found the eyeball. Then the crown. Then we got the crown. Look. Now let's do the legs. I did it.
Awesome. Here. And I will. So here we have some tools, some easy tools that we're going to use to make the little pyramid.
Mine.
You do that, and then while you do that, I'm going to make
Mustache.
I'm gonna make the shapes.
I will have one eye. Have one eye. I got 2 eyes on. I got 2 eyes on.
Look, I'm making the eyes for this.
Okay.
It's a little large. Okay, I'll be very nervous.
Look, mommy. Look, mommy.
Oh, I like it. Show the camera. There's a little guy. Cool.
Don't make him a little bit stashy.
It's a little stashy.
Yeah. Look, guys.
Those are awesome.
I taken the parts off.
Parts off of what?
Of these pumpkins.
Nice. And then what are you doing?
Just playing with my play-doh.
Just playing with your Play-Doh?
Play-doh.